Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector.
Recently, we have made a detailed video on HAL's Combat Air Teaming System, or in short, CATS program. The program is a combination of manned and unmanned aircrafts along with various types of drones, UCAV and loitering munitions, all working together in a network-centric warfare controlled by a manned mothership. The reason why we spoke about CATS was because of recent inclusion of two more aircrafts in the CATS program, which includes HAL UAV and CATS OMCA. Before we discuss further, I would want to show you a few recent photographs of CATS OMCA, which was shared on Twitter by HPTIF, a HAL test pilot. The images what you saw was taken from unmanned Kiran aircraft, which is going to act like OMCA. This is quite an exciting development because recently we got to know about this concept and now it is flying in the air. This also means how fast this modification in Kiran has been done to make them unmanned. The HAL Kiran is a twin-seater trainer aircraft designed and manufactured by HAL. By 2010, the use of Kiran has been gradually declining as increasing number of newer BAE trainer Hawk built under license by HAL has been introduced to Indian Air Force service. The toughest part of any unmanned platform is automatic landing and takeoff. This is where most of the accidents happen. Recently, we have seen DRDO release the recent video of Rustam 2 performing successful autonomous landing, and now the recent pictures prove the similar capability with Kiran. And if HAL and DRDO master this technology, that is ATOL, which seems they are heading towards, they will be able to convert any old fighter jet such as MiG-21, MiG-27 and Kiran into the OMCA. The role of OMCA will be to be used as a decoy for carrying out combat missions. On December 9, 2020, HAL has released a tender document that for the first time reveals company's plan to convert Kiran to be used as technology demonstrator for upcoming unmanned wingman armed stealth drone program that will fight alongside Indian Air Force fighters to hit high-value enemy targets. Tender document also suggests that Kiran UAV will be able to switch between internal and external pilot or operate as autonomous mode by artificial intelligence. And now we are seeing this concept into reality. HAL is working with Bengaluru-based startup New Space Research and Technologies on OMCA, which has also bagged a $15 million contract to supply 100 Swan drone units to the Indian Army. This is a significant capability and will be able to detect the enemy's air defense system, thereby boosting the speed or suppression of air defense capabilities of Air Force. A similar tactics was used by Azerbaijan, where they have used an old unmanned aircraft as a bed for the air defense systems of Armenia.
This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.